Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County, northeastern Hamilton County, southeastern Tipton County until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tipton, or 18 miles northwest of Anderson, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elwood, Tipton, Franklin, and Atlanta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Madison, and Tipton.